Now, I do want to talk about what you're seeing at the bottom of your screen, and that is the rupee. It is a record low of 84. It's breached that level on the downside. So it is actually at a record low at this juncture. But do remember that over the last year, it's been pretty range bound. If you compare it with several other currencies globally, it has hovered between 83 and 84 rupees to the dollar, where you have currencies like even the yen, for example, that have depreciated very significantly. You've had many emerging market currencies lose ground against the US dollar. Of course, in the recent past, you've seen that the dollar index itself has given up a little bit. It has lost a little bit of ground. It has come back to about 103 or thereabouts from 105 levels towards the start of this year. And all of that has to do with the change in monetary policy or the expectation of change going forward as well. Already, the central bank there has cut interest rates as an expectation of a possible rate cut even in this year, though that seems to be flagging just a tad bit based on what you saw overnight with the CPI inflation data for the previous month, which was slightly higher than expected. And so we're building in for a potential 25 basis point cut, if at all, in the rest of the financial year. There has been a reset of expectations. So all of that is having a bearing on the rupee. Of course, do remember also that the forex reserves are currently at all-time highs. They have reached that $700 billion mark. That is what the central bank governor said just this week. So the RBI is sitting on quite a lot of dry powder if it needs to defend any levels, though it says that it doesn't. And well, that is certainly a historic moment if you're tracking that space, certainly.